Hi guys! I am so excited to show you my dragon fruits starting to flower. In this video, I am going to show you the stages starting from flowering to when the fruit's ripening. As you can see, the vine are bearing multiple flowers. These dragon fruit vines are growing very vigorously, even though they are growing in a container. Several days later, the flowers starting to bloom. In this location, two flowers growing next to each other very closely. I am not sure if there is enough space to support two dragon fruits growing next to each other. We will see how it turns out. Now, the flowers blooming bigger. They are starting to open up. We can see the stamen and pistil in yellow color. The stamen, that is the pollen-producing part of a flower, usually with a slender filament supporting the anther. The pistil, the ovule-producing part of a flower. The ovary often supports a long style, topped by a stigma. Because dragon fruit flowers fully open up at night, we need to hand pollinate during this time. The following morning, these flowers will close and we won't be able to pollinate. In their native habitat in South America, certain insects or animals will help with the pollination. But here in my garden, I will help to hand pollinate to make sure a successful fruits production. I can see the stamens are already full of pollens. Pollen is a powdery substance produced by seed plants. To hand pollinate, I will use brush to put pollens into the stigma. To give an idea to the size of the flower, it is about 7 inches. It is quite big and looks very beautiful. Okay, I am going to be quiet so everyone can enjoy the pollination process. You can always forward the video to see the end result of the pollination where you can see how the fruits look like. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell for future video. Here, I am brushing the stamen to let pollens drop on the leaves. Then I collected the pollens and brushing it into the stigma to start the pollination process. I keep repeating these steps to ensure successful pollination. This is after the pollination has been completed. The following morning, the flower starting to close. "31 days later. The flowers dried up and the fruits continue getting bigger. Some vines are still producing new flowers. While other pollinated flowers also dried up, and the fruits are getting bigger. We can say that the hand pollination process was a success. I hope you guys can follow similar steps to pollinate your plants. Finally, the fruits are ripe when the color changed to red. Watch my next video when I harvested these fruits.